This is just me, unfortunately. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, lovely, fantastic day. Very sorry if you hear like concerning growls during the entire portion of this video. I'm very hungry and my stomach is just absolutely relentless. So you might hear some creepy little off camera, but it's nothing to be too concerned about. Today I'm very excited to say that we're going to be getting into the Kinder Beauty box for the month of May. Kinder Beauty is a fairly new subscription box with 100% vegan and cruelty-free thingies inside of it, which is super duper awesome. They also donate a portion of all their sales to an animal rights or an environmental issue, which I think is super cool. The founders of it are really awesome. They are Daniela Monet and Miss Ivana Lynch, and they just seem like super awesome people who are very into being kind to yourself, the earth, the animals. So today, that is what we're going to be getting on into. This box is $24 a month. And like I said, everything is vegan and cruelty free, plus the packaging is also like environmentally friendly. This video has also been sponsored by Kinder Beauty, so thank you so very much for sponsoring this video. I will have a link down below in the description for you guys if you would like to sign up for Kinder Beauty. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop on into this. Right on top here, we have a little pamphlet which will tell us all about the items inside of the box, but ooh, interesting. But let's go ahead and hop on into here. The first thing catching my eye is this little red baggie here with sounds like very breakable items. On the outside here it says a car, and inside here it looks like we have a couple little vials. Oh, these look fancy. Okay, so we have something from a car skin, a clarifying face oil, and a balancing toning mist. So here are two little vials. I really like the red kind of frosted glass on these. They're a little bit on the smaller side, especially the face oil, but let's give it a quick little sniff. Oh, it smells like holidays. Oh, why does that smell so good? What's in here? I really like the smell of this. It smells like home goods, and for some reason home goods just smells like the holidays. It's like kind of spicy and warm. I literally have no idea what is in here, but it smells good. Then we have the toning mist. I don't know why I'm testing this like perfume. Oh, okay. This one doesn't smell as good, but I'm sure it works nicely. So cute. Put them back inside their little baggie here. Oh my gosh. You know, recently I've seen people ask in the comments like, oh my goodness, are you actually that clumsy in real life? Because if so, I am concerned for you. And the answer is yes, unfortunately. I drop everything. My nickname when I was younger amongst my family was Gracie, because it was ironic, because I dropped everything and I fell constantly. I've broken chairs. I accidentally smashed my window that's right in front of me, one of the little panels of it, with a perfume bottle because it dropped out of my hand. This is just me, unfortunately. Anywho, back to the box. So the next thing we have in here is another little guy. Oh, okay, so this is another natural deodorant, and we actually received one of these, I think last month's box. It was like a full-size bigger one. This is a clay dry deodorant, an original, in the scent Bold. All right, so there is the little packaging of it and it says Bold right there. Oh my goodness, that smells amazing. I can't twist it. Oh, that smells really good. I've actually been using the natural deodorant that we got in the last box, and I think it works pretty well. I haven't been like breaking out. There's no irritation or anything, so I'll give this one a try as well. I'll just rub this on my neck for perfume. That smells really good. Oh, okay. Next up in here, we actually have a brush, and I really do love getting brushes in boxes. And this is from the brand Get Cheeky With It. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. That's a really cute play on words. So here we have, or wait, that might not actually be the brand. I'm not 100% sure. It also says MOTD. Maybe this is just the Get Cheeky With It brush, but it has kind of a rose goldy ferrule here with just a little plastic handle, and it's really soft. It has a nice like little angular swoop to it. I've never heard of like whichever brand it happens to be from before, so that's interesting, but it is very soft. I'm not seeing too much in the way of like fallout yet, which is good. Sometimes I can like do this and I just see like bristles float through the air, but this one seems to be nicely packed in there with little fallout, so good. Okay, so next up in here we have something from Bombi, and this is a vanilla bean sugar scrub. Oh, I wonder if it's edible. So this is a vegan, cruelty-free bath company with products made in the USA. Very cool. You can follow them on Instagram at bombi.co. Lovely. So this is 2 ounces. Smells pretty good. And this has a really nice like vanilla scent to it. There's like little tiny flecks inside of there, and I'm wondering if that's like actual vanilla bean. That's a great texture. How'd they do that? I feel like most sugar scrubs just basically feel like sugar floating in some oil, but this is like fluffy. I don't know how to explain it. It's almost kind of like playing with slime, like the good stuff. But it holds together so nicely. It also tastes pretty good too. Okay, okay, yeah, it has kind of like a herbally aftertaste, which isn't my favorite, but you're not supposed to eat it, so I don't think that really matters. So that is really nice, and you do get 2 ounces of it. It also feels very nice and scrubby. All right, and the very last thing we have in here is from Clove and Hollow. I like that name, very relaxing sounding. The packaging's also pretty cute on here as well. This is a Hydra tint, and I don't know what that is. Oh, okay, so it says an ultra blendable blush serum infused with meadow foam. Reading the ingredients on like skincare stuff has just completely opened my mind up to all new random types of things. So it's a meadow foam oil. No idea what that is, but it sounds really cool. It also has hyaluronic acid for a healthy hydrated flush. I got mine in the shade Georgia. Wait, what? It looks what? Okay, it says directions. Shake before use, apply directly to cheeks, and blend with fingertips. It looks like nail polish. Like, this is a super pretty color nail polish, and if this was just sitting on a shelf, I would assume you put that on your fingers, but no, this goes on your face. Okay, so it says shake it well. Oh, my elbow. It just looks exactly like nail polish. Okay, and then it says to put it on your cheeks. Might as well go ahead and give it a little test. Don't know how well it's gonna work on top of makeup. Oh, freckles. Blend a little more vigorously there. Oh, that's actually a really pretty shade. I think I should have blended just like a little bit more quickly because you can kind of see like the dots where I laid it down. But I definitely think that's a pretty shade, and I think it would look really nice if you're doing a more like no makeup look because I currently have on like foundation, concealer, lots of powder, blush, highlight, the whole 50 yards. So I think it definitely would spread around a little bit more evenly if your skin was not as covered as mine currently is. But it is definitely a very pretty shade, super unique packaging. All right, so let's go ahead and quickly go through the very cute little pamphlet here and see how much everything is worth. So the very first thing we have is the okay. So it is from the brand MOTD. It's not Get Cheeky With It, even though I literally love that name. That song's likely gonna be stuck in my head for, I don't know, the next month and a half or something. But this has a value of $16 on their website. Perhaps a little bit expensive for just one face brush, but that was the retail value. Then we have the Bombay Vanilla Bean Sugar Scrub. 2 ounces is $10.99. I actually think that's a pretty good price. I've seen other sugar scrubs that are a little bit more expensive for less, so yeah, I'm okay with that. Then we have the nail polish for your face, the Clove and Hollow Hydra Tint Blush Serum. And it seems that you could have received either the shade Georgia, Naked, or Velvet. I'm actually really glad I received the shade I did. I think this is super pretty. And this is $20 on their website. Then we have the little deodorant. And this is a travel size deodorant, which has an MSRP of $3.49. Apparently there are 2 different scents. This is the original, and then there's Sweet Amber, but I really like the scent that I got. And last but not least, from Akar Skin, we have the Mini Balancing Toning Mist, which is $15, and the Mini Clarifying Face Oil, which is $24 for that little guy in there. That's a lot of money. So just alone, that tiny little bottle of oil makes up for the entire price of the box, which I think is good. Alrighty, wow, what was that? Alrighty, you guys, so that was everything for this Kinder Beauty box. I did enjoy this box. I like that we had kind of like a couple makeup-y things in it that made me pretty happy. I think one of my favorite things is the little lip scrub here and that weird blush. I just really like that it's unique and a little bit different. I typically don't go for cream blushes, but there's just something about that one that's just, it's super different. Oh, I forgot to do values and addition. What is all over this calculator? That is concerning. What is that? It's like mysterious yellow stuff. Anyway, okay. All right, so the total retail value of this box came to $89.48 if it will ever, there we go, which is pretty good considering that they advertise this box comes with a like $70 value, so it's a little bit over even what they say. Again, value is also like super personal. Are these things valuable to you? Are you going to use these types of items? Does it make it more valuable to you that everything is vegan and that part of the sales go to a good cause? All those things you have to take into consideration when looking at subscription boxes, because the value like number wise might be great, but sometimes like if you're not gonna use it, then it's there's no point in having it. I think that a lot of these items in here are super usable. And again, I do like the message behind the box, so I think that is really nice. But I would love to hear all of your all's thoughts and opinions. Let me know everything that you would want to about this box down below. I love reading all of your comments. And yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. So just thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, lovely, fantastic day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!